It's hot, Rency. Roy, she's drinking direct. Yummy? It's yummy? Roy, she's drinking direct, Roy. You see? No, no, no. Oh, God. Yummy. It's hot, my love. Tasty. Wow, wow. What is this? Oh. Mmm. I love it. Mmm.
Yummy.
Mmm.
Yummy.
Those are done.
You know what? Yeah, I put slick meat, skinny.
They're just about the same size.
This is salad, green salad, my love. Hey, broccoli
Yummy.
for you.
Already got your plate of broccoli.
Yummy.
I want to finish today. But I know she don't want to eat.
Don't fill up my... Yeah, I got soak my meat in.
Yummy. Yum.
Yay! Don't touch, it's a hot. It's a grill hall. Oh no! Big. Mmm. Ah. Mmm.
Yummy.
Oh. Yummy.
I'll take the cherry. She just
Come here.
I told her a while ago she was going to fall.
Come here.
Sit down.
You good girl. Come here. Because you put mommy table chair inside. Don't say yummy, yummy and fall down gummy, gummy. Yummy. Hey, love. Can you pull her chair, please? Your side. Oh, no, no, no. She's watching TV. It's okay. 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 I'll do it. I'll do it. This is okay. This is yummy, yummy. Wow. Mmm.
Yummy.
Mmm. Hot.
Hot.
Mmm.
You
Lovely.
didn't get that far.
It's for you?
No.
I'm gonna eat outside if we have a outside greenhouse. Mmm. Thank you. You enjoying?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Mmm.
Any coleslaw?
Yummy, yummy.
No, don't put that in there.
Mmm.
If you eat cold.
I want to mix.
You don't eat it. You don't put this in there now.
Hey, no, Daisy, you burning your hand. Look this one. Like that.
Don't stop.
Okay, love, I'll take care.
What are you doing? Oh, yeah. Taking care of look.
She only drinking juice, Roy. She don't care about anything.
You're not getting this stuff off.
What about you?
I got pieces. Don't use that. Oh, God.
Nancy, this for you. Mm. Wow.
Look. There you use it fancy. Supposed to use this spoon. This. Here.
She is drinking direct eating. Direct hot.